In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust notifications for Google Tasks. This tutorial is designed to help you manage your reminders effectively, ensuring you never miss an important task again. We'll guide you through each step, offering clarity and a few helpful tips along the way. So let's jump right in. First things first, to access your Google Tasks notification settings, you'll need to head over to Google Calendar. Think of Google Calendar as the central hub for all your task management needs. It's here where you'll find the options to tweak how and when you receive notifications about your tasks. Once you're logged into your Google account, navigate to Google Calendar by typing calendar.google.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Google Calendar main page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you should see the settings icon, which resembles a little cog or gear. Go ahead and click on this icon. This is your entry point to personalize your Google Calendar and tasks experience. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with multiple options. From this drop-down, you'll want to select Settings. This is where the magic happens. With the settings page now open, take a glance at the navigation pane on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find Notification Settings. Clicking on this option will direct you to another page. It's here where you can tailor the alerts you receive for your tasks. These settings ensure you stay updated and on top of your tasks without overwhelming you with unnecessary notifications. Once you're on the notification settings page, look for an option labeled Alerts. Clicking on this will open a new set of choices. This area is dedicated to how you wish to receive notifications. You have a couple of options here, primarily off or desktop notifications. Choosing off will of course mean that you won't receive any alert notifications. This can be useful if you prefer to manage tasks manually or through another application. Alternatively, selecting desktop notifications will send you timely pings directly to your computer, helping to keep tasks front and center in your daily workflow. If you decide on desktop notifications, make sure that your browser settings are configured to allow these pop-up notifications. Most browsers will prompt you to allow notifications from Google Calendar the first time they occur, but you can always adjust these settings in your browser's preferences section if needed. And there you have it, you've successfully adjusted your Google Tasks notification settings. Now you can continue with your productivity journey knowing that you're equipped with notifications tailored to suit your needs. Whether you're organizing a major project or just trying to stay on top of daily tasks, having the right notifications can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.